Hello friends, this is Ramna. Today I will show demo on how to make string columns in proper case using in SSIS. So first I will show my source document. This is my source document. It contains 3 columns and 4 rows. So if you observe the name column, first name and last name, everything is in capital letters. So I want to make it proper in this way. I want to make this name column in proper ways. So I will show how to do this demo. First I am dragging the data flow task, selecting flat file source, new, next I am using one transformation called derived column. So in this expression I will write one string function and string function with lower and upper cases. So first I will show my expression here in notepad. I use substring function. Substring will take 3 arguments. First one is string, start, length. These are the 3 arguments. So my data here is this is my data. Now I am applying the substring function. Substring. Instead of string I am taking first name. First underscore name. Starting position I am taking 1 and length I am taking 1. So if you execute this expression here, I will get the output is B. So I want to make it as a upper. You will get B. Next I am taking from second letter onwards everything will be lowercase. Again I am using substring. From second letter onwards, starting position, length I am taking len of first name. From second letter onwards till the end of the first name, I want to get only in lowercase. So I am taking this expression. Take this complete expression, paste it here, replace with first name. Now I am using the same expression for last name as well. So last name is, if I apply this complete expression, I will get result as Boris. Now I am taking the just replace first name with last name. Same logic. So now you will get last name in this way. So I am taking this one, go to expressions, paste it here, replace with last name and click OK. I don't want to dump this data into tables, just I want to show in multicast by enabling the data viewer. I am going to run the package. My original data is this way. Boris first name, Becker is the last name. Everything is capital letters. The output is in proper case. See here. Every name, first name and last name is in proper case. This is how you need to do the proper case by using derived column by writing the expression. The logic and everything is writing in the expression. So it's by using substring and lower and upper cases, I want to make the capital strings into proper case. Thanks for watching the video. Thank you very much.